Welcome back. Now, there are still individuals that look at video through DVD. And even though Amazon Video Direct is the primary way and the way that Amazon suggests that you distribute your video, you can use CreateSpace, use their platform free, and get to those who want DVDs. And there is a process for you to be able to do this if you go inside of CreateSpace and you go to the film area. And what you'll notice here is that there is a menu for creating a DVD. Now, the first thing you're going to want to know about creating a DVD are the submission requirements, and we're going to take a look at that right now. Now, one of the things that you're going to have to do that will be a little difficult will be that you'll need to be able to create a single ISO file, and that ISO file must be unencrypted. DVD creators have this outsourced. They'll outsource it to someone on Fiverr. They'll outsource it to someone on one of the freelance sites. Now, if you have software that does this, something like Sony Vegas or some other kind of DVD burning software, it's quite possible that you can create your own and then upload that file to CreateSpace. However, if you're going to go the route of making sure that your content is on DVD also, you will then need to upload that file, and more than likely, the fastest way to do it would be to have it outsourced. Your DVD will be available for sale on Amazon. You can also order that DVD in order for you to sell outright yourself. And you'll walk through the same process of creating and naming your file as well as creating your covers. And you'll pretty much walk through this process step by step. And to give you an idea of the timing as well as the pricing, you can see this vendor on Fiverr offers this service currently at $45 for a basic service, and then upgraded services at $120 plus $275. And again, that's turning video into DVD specifically for Amazon CreateSpace. And as you can see, there are other individuals available, even though there aren't a lot of individuals. So again, one more way for you to repurpose your video content is to make it available on DVD and then make that DVD available on Amazon. And again, the difference here is that you can be promotional on your DVD. There are no prohibitions for you to mention your website and for your existing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.